Okay, probability from tables. We're given a table of data there. It says find the probability that a randomly chosen student is taking drama. Okay, well there's 836 students altogether. The probability one of them is taking drama. Here's the drama students across the top. There are 485 drama students altogether. Now you should try and simplify this on a calculator. Use the fraction button and push equals after it. You'll see that that one doesn't actually simplify. Right, we want the probability that if I choose one of these 836 students randomly from the group, that they're in year 11 and taking chess. So the student needs to be in year 11 and taking chess. Get rid of that one. So year 11 is down this column, taking chess is across here. I can see there's 24 out of 836. They're both even numbers, so that must simplify. You try on the calculator, use the fraction button and push equals. 6 over 209. Right, part C, we want the probability that in year 9 and not doing sport. So the students in year 9 are down this column, but we want the probability one of them is not doing sport, which would be these ones here. And adding them up, out of 836 students altogether. So they're in year 9 not taking sport, that's this group here. Simplifying on a calculator, 56 over 209. Right, next one. What's the probability they're in year 9 or 10 and doing sport? In year 9 or 10 doing sport. So that's those students there. They're in 9 or 10 and they're definitely doing sport. So adding those together, out of the 836 students, trying to simplify that, doesn't happen. Right, looking at the next bit is when it starts to get interesting and slightly more difficult, where we talk about a restricted sample space or conditional probability, where you need to read the question and you're given some extra information about a group. So for example, it says given that a student is in year 11, what's the probability they're taking drama? So given that they're in year 11, it must be those 236 students we're talking to. We've got the year 11 students in front of us. We want to know what's the probability that one of them is taking drama, which would be 150. So you've just restricted your possible sample space. We haven't got the whole group in front of us now. It says that we're told that it's only the year 11 students in front of us. And simplifying that. Right, if I move it up I'm going to lose the table, but you could have a look at the next question, which says if a student is in year 10, what's the probability they do sports? So we're only talking to the students from year 10, we're told. If a student is in year 10, what's the probability they do sports? So that would be 85 out of 282. 85 out of 282 of the year 10 students, which doesn't simplify. Looking at the last one, what's the probability that a drama student is in year 9? So the implication in the question is that we've just got the drama students in front of us. We want to know what's the probability one of them is in year 9. So out of the 485 drama students in front of us, we want to know what's the probability of, if I chose one, that the student I chose was in year 9. So that would be 170 out of 485. 170 out of 485. That should simplify too.